Hello guys, today this is my inspired makeup look, Philippines flag. As a support, one of our Filipino candidates, Miss Universe, Michelle D. At dahil proud Filipino ako, and this is my eyewear makeup look. Ngayon gagamit ako ng eyeshadow palette, so parang napaka-colorful ang ating makeup today. So, ngayon gagamit tayo ng blue shade sa aking half cut crease. At gamitan natin ng brush para ma-blend natin ng maayos. At gagawa tayo ng smoky eyes. Ang ibig sabihin nun, kaya ang blue is nauna at nailagay natin sa taas, ibig sabihin nun is kapayapaan. At mag-a-add lang ako ng liquid highlighter. White is a represent peace and purity. An additional red sa ating half-cut crease. Red is a symbolizes patriotism and valor. Para makuha natin ang magandang result, gamitan lang natin ng brush para ma-blend natin ng maayos. I'm just using liquid highlighter with brush. And I'm using golden yellow sun shade for my eyeshadow. And I'm using black liquid eyeliner for my eye wing. And I'm using white pencil eyeshadow for my lower lash line. Ngayon naman, gagamit tayo ng liquid concealer at ilagay natin sa ating ilong, sa aking cheeks, sa aking chin, sa aking forehead at i-blend natin. Gamitan natin ng Sponge Beauty Blender. At ngayon, gumamit ako ng contour powder palette at mag-contour tayo. At mag-nose bridge tayo. Gagamit ako ng brown contouring palette. At ngayon naman mag-blush on tayo. Gagamit lang tayo ng brush para ma-blend natin. At ngayon naman maglagay tayo ng shimmering highlighter. Pencil lip liner for my lips. Dahil Black Friday dito, may nabili akong Maybelline lipstick, kaya i-try natin. At maglagay lang ako ng white metallic shimmering para sa aking waterline. This is my final inspired makeup look, proud Filipina.
It's a plane. It's Philippines. Crowned with the captain's hat, this costume is a salute to the delegate's role as an Air Force reservist. This look is representative of her country, resilient and radiant. There's no denying she's the queen of flying in the Philippines.